What's going on, everyone? So in today's video we're going to be continuing the rear bumper on the E93. We're going to be installing these on it, see how they look. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so these are the exhaust tips I'm going to be putting on my car. They are going to be available for sale on my website, so if you guys are interested in purchasing them, I'll leave a link in the description below. So as you guys can see, these are staggered with a carbon fiber sleeve, and they also have the M logo engraved on the edge right there. They also come with an exhaust clamp, so you guys can do it yourself. No need to have them welded on, but you guys can do whichever way you prefer. Anyways, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so since I'm going to be getting a new muffler installed as well, I'm going to just take it to the muffler shop so they can do it for me all together. So let's head there right now. Alright guys, so the car is currently getting worked on. We're putting the new mufflers and exhaust tips in there. We're out here heating. If you guys are from New York, then you know this spot right by City Field. This is the spot right here, guys. Alright guys, so we're back from getting the exhaust tips installed. So you guys ready for this? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car so you guys can hear how the new mufflers sound on the car. And guys, so that's all for this video. If you guys want to see more pictures of the car, you guys can follow my Instagram at N54Naya, and in the next video I'll be installing these LCI taillights. So if you guys want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.